The bird, wild bird. I don't know what's the name of this bird. One more over there. Two. It have the baby bird. It's on the ground. It's around here. It is. Yes, here. Here they are. Running so far. It cannot see clearly. It's so far. Yeah. There's the baby around here. The baby is camouflage. Yes. When the dangers come, the baby hiding. You see? You cannot see if you don't look closer. See the baby? I saw it running on the ground and then it come here and hiding, camouflage with the yeah the baby. You see the baby? Very nice, so clever. When the dangers come, just running to camouflage with the bush. You see the baby? Yeah, the baby is running. See? Yeah. Running so fast. That's one baby. Stop, please, buddy. Oh. Stop, please. You see? Yeah. We're hiding right now. Yes, you see? It's too hard. It's too hard, baby. Come with me. No, I don't. Just take the photo. Take the video of you and then let you free. Who knows what the name of this bird? It have a long leg. Yes, it's coming. So nice. Oh, they come to find the shade. It's too hard. It's about 40 degrees right now in Cambodia. Nice.